Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. It's been a while since my last Back to Cake Basics episode, so over the next couple weeks I want to share more easy and delicious recipes for your everyday baking. I'm going to start with my berries whipped cream frosting. I love everything about this frosting. It's super fluffy, it's creamy, it's delicious, holds its shape really well, and it's super easy to make. This frosting is great for cakes and cupcakes, and today I'm going to make my raspberry variety. You can also make this recipe using blackberries, blueberries, even strawberries. Now you can use berry preserves for this recipe, but I love the taste of fresh berries, so I'm going to be using 1 cup of fresh raspberries. Just place them into a small saucepan and then add a 1/3 cup of white granulated sugar. Use a spoon to kind of mash that all together. Bring your saucepan over to the stove top and then cook this mixture over medium heat. Let it come up to a simmer. Let it simmer away for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then pour that resulting raspberry sauce into a fine mesh strainer. Then use the back of a spoon to press the raspberries through the fine mesh strainer. You want just the raspberry sauce, and we'll discard the seeds. And then allow that resulting raspberry sauce to cool down. And while my raspberry sauce is cooling, I'm going to get started on my whipped cream. I've measured out 2 cups of chilled heavy cream. I'm going to pour that into my stand mixer bowl and add about 1.5 cups of confectioner sugar. You can add more or less to your liking. And then give this a whisk on medium speed for a few minutes until the cream starts to thicken. Then turn the speed up to high and whisk until you get stiff peaks. In a separate mixing bowl, I've softened 8 ounces of cream cheese. You can also use mascarpone. I'm going to use my hand mixer to beat the cream cheese for a few minutes until it's smooth. Next, I'll add 1 cup of melted white chocolate chips, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and just a pinch of salt. And give that another mix for a few more minutes until it's creamy. And finally, pour in your cooled raspberry sauce and mix that right in. And now back over to my whipped cream. I'm going to transfer this cream cheese, white chocolate, and a raspberry mixture straight into my mixing bowl. Then mix this on medium speed for about a minute, scraping down the sides of the bowl once to make sure that everything gets incorporated. And now for a little demonstration of what you could do with this frosting. This is a Teco tip number 823. And this is a larger tip number 829. This raspberry whipped cream frosting is simply incredible. I love how well it holds its shape. It's super pipeable, which makes it perfect for frosting cakes and cupcakes. And now for the true test, the taste test. I'm going to dig in and get a little bit of that whipped cream frosting for myself. Wow, this is mind-blowing. This takes frosting to a whole new level. Once you try this raspberry cream, you'll want nothing else on your desserts ever. It is so incredibly delicious. Melts into your mouth, so fluffy and creamy. Get loads of real raspberry flavor, a little bit of that white chocolate and cream cheese, and it's pure perfection. If you're looking for an incredible recipe, this is the one for you. Just head down into my video description box. I've left a link there that'll take you over to my blog. You can print this recipe off, save it for later, and of course, share it with all your family and friends. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.